Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. May Allah protect us in this hard time, and guys, please stay home and safe with your family. Today we are making lamb Karahi Keema. This is very easy recipe. You will need just about 2 pounds of lamb keema. You can also use beef or goat. 1 large sized onion, 2 medium sized tomato, 2 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, 1 jalapeno pepper. For spices, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili, salt according to your taste, half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half tablespoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, some Garam masala, and some half tablespoon of black pepper. And of course we need some cooking oil. Guys, I'm gonna put the measurements and the ingredients down in the description. For just added some oil to the pot, and I'm just gonna add some onions and saute them for just about a few minutes. I cut them thin slicely. You can cut them any way you like. You don't have to get them brown or any color. As soon as they get a little loose, you just add the ginger and garlic paste. Be careful here, guys, because as soon as you add garlic and ginger paste, the oil just starts shooting everywhere, as you can see. So lower down your heat to make sure you don't get it on yourself. I defrost the keema since mine was frozen, so I just defrost it for 2 minutes. You just mix it in with the onions and the garlic ginger paste and cook it for just about a few minutes. How are you guys doing in this tough time? Please comment below, let me know what's your routine. Just add all the masalas, mix it in well. This is very simple and fast, and easy recipe to make, especially when you're working all day and you have dinner to serve. So, and I have mashallah 6 people. We live together, and alhamdulillah, like, I try to make anything fast and quick. So now I'm just gonna add the tomatoes and the jalapeno. Just mix it in well. I usually serve this keema with either white rice or fresh roti, even frozen naan. You just cover it up and let it cook for just about 10 minutes until you see the tomatoes are soft. Mix in well with the cooking spoon. Just crush the tomatoes, they can blend in well with the rest of the keema. You can also make this with beef keema and serve it with some spaghetti, or if you don't like plain keema, after you do after the keema is done, you can add potatoes and or like green peas. And guys, look at it, got done within just about 25 to 30 minutes. Garnish it with some cilantro or parsley, and voila. Please try this recipe and let me know how'd you like it. Comment down below what should I upload next. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do subscribe, like, and comment and share.